Welcome to Alianxa Analytics Partner. Hello, this is Franco Paganesi speaking, CEO and founder Alianxa Analytics Partner, outsourcing company. In Alianxa, we have a mission, is to keep informed the managers and owners of the companies about what is happening inside the organization. To start, let's talk about the information inside the organizations. In 1989, a consultancy in Yoshiba mentioned that the problems of the companies were known by the 100% of the frontline employees. Supervisors are aware of the 74%. Middle managers are aware of the 9%. At the end of the line of information, only the 4% of what happened inside the companies are known by the owners and managers of the company. Our recommendation in Alianxa: don't be the last one to know. In Alianxa, we collect data everywhere in your organization and put it all in your hands at the right time. We collect information from your finance records, data from your points of sales, from your offices and branches, from your operation, information from purchasing. And we collect all of this with one purpose: put it available to you. In Alianxa, we do care sending information on time where you need it. In Alianxa, when we talk about business intelligence, visualization is not a problem. Budget is not a problem. Infrastructure is not a problem. Our strongest capabilities are to extract data everywhere, and you choose where and when to see the visualization. In Alianxa, we have a mission, is to keep informed the managers and owners of the companies about what is happening inside the organization. In Alianxa, we have experience in creating dashboards, instant messaging to your mobile, reporting and mailing. We offer a bunch of opportunities: projects, creation of ad hoc reports on-premise or on cloud, software factory with a day-to-day support for your apps and applications, and administration. In BI, if you do it yourself, make data collection and visualization could be frustrating. We do it all for you.